Hey guys, Andy with AllCity Adjusting. Another great video for all my young PAs out there. Just going to discuss the topic at hand, and hopefully you guys get something out of it.
Okay, let's go.
I'm here to play games today.
Something we're going to discuss today is how do we set our pricing and our fees on our claims. And really easy. When we look at a claim, whether it's me or any other PAs in the company, we start with the base 10%. It's kind of where we want to start. You call AllCity, the claim hasn't happened. We're just starting from a fresh new claim. Like we're the one calling it or we're the one starting it out. It's usually 10%. Let's say for our larger clients, whether it's management companies, associations, or some of our investors, they have large claims. As the claim goes up, this fee actually would go down. So we'll do a sliding scale. And as the claim gets larger, our fee actually drops down just to make it competitive and just to make it fair to our client, usually baseline, and then that fee can go up from there. Now, a scenario where someone is to call you and say they've already had a claim, it's been 6 months, claim has gone nowhere, maybe it's delayed, maybe it's denied. We're gonna take a look at the claim. Let's say the insured was offered $10,000 and we review the claim. Usually we'll do our due diligence, we'll kind of get a feel for the client. We have a client checklist where we ask all these different types of questions to determine where's the claim process at? Is there more value that we can bring? Because if there's not much value, if maybe the claim's at 10, we feel there's 5 more thousand or a couple more thousand, we'll explain that to the client and try to help them over the phone or help them through email and not really take that claim on. We want to make sure that there's value that we can bring to that claim. Let's say we determine there's 20 more thousand we can recover for that client, then we're going to take the fee basically and seeing how extensive the damage is and how much work we're going to have to put in, and that fee now it's going to be maybe 20-25% above this number. So that what happens is we're not touching the insured's money, right? If the insured's got 10,000, they're keeping this. We don't want any of it. We didn't do any of it. We feel, at least our company does, that if insured's gotten a certain amount, that's their money to keep, so we wouldn't charge on that. So now we're going to charge a fee on anything extra we get them. Now, what does that do for the client? The client now looks at it and is like, what do I have to lose? I've already gotten a certain amount. I have nothing to lose. They're not charging me contingency. They're not taking any of the money from the claim that the insurance already agreed to pay. They're only going to take a percentage from anything extra they get me. Depending on how much we can recover, that's kind of where we're going to put our fee. The difficulty and everything, you have to take that into consideration. 2 different fees on 2 different types of claims you're going to come in, whether it's right in the beginning and then one when people call you when the claim's already been established. Keep that in mind. A lot of people do 20% not to exceed total claim amount of 10%. Different ways you can structure it, whatever your feeling is, and as long as you're competitive, because that client's not only calling you, they might be calling 3 other PAs. So make sure you're competitive based on the claim, the amount of damages, and what services you're going to provide. I hope this helps, guys. If you guys like this stuff, please subscribe. Remember, don't settle, get more.